Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the new Minecraft launcher on Linux. So in this video, we'll be dealing with the Snap install. I just feel like the Snap version is probably the easiest to use. There are other releases, like there's a Debian package. I think it's on FlatHub as a Flatpak, the AUR, and so forth. So if you want more information on that, check the description. But to install Minecraft as a Snap, you need to do snap search and just do Minecraft. You can search for that. Let's maximize here. So there's a bunch of different packages related to Minecraft. The one that we need is MC installer. So this one right here. So we can copy this and we can do sudo snap install. And then once you've got it installed, which I already do, you can then go ahead and launch Minecraft under your games and it will start up, and it's that easy. Now I've already got it signed up, so I've got my game and everything ready, but it's really as easy as just sudo snap install MC installer, and then it will go, and it takes a second to start up, but when it does, you'll get access to everything Minecraft. As we see right here, we can just click the play button and the game downloads the updates as it needs, and you can just log into the game. So yeah, that is how you get the new Minecraft launcher installed on Linux. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.